Alrighty, gonna pull a carb off next. Just one. Leave the other one attached till we get the first one rebuilt. Check it out. Glass bowl on the pump. So I think we figured out the block was from a late 50s, and the head was from like a 55, 57, something like that. Is that what you figured out? The block was what, like a
55 to 57,
and the head was
50,
mid 50s to early 60s or something like that. Yay, bath time! Oh hell, it just doesn't need a rebuild now.
Oh, it's good to go. Get out of my way.
Yeah, move it. All that crud washing off down there. Oh yeah. Great, we got all these lines floating around. We're never going to figure this thing out. It's so complicated.
Yeah.
Hurry up, you got 11 minutes left on this battery. Keeps getting in the way of the camera. Don't you understand YouTube?
See while we're doing it.
Little set screw there. Electric chokes. Cool. What model did you think these were? CVs or CBs or something like that?
BC or BV, I forget what the difference was. One has electric choke, or the choke on the unit, and the other one has a choke mounted on the manifold. I think BC.
They are Rochesters.
It's basically probably the original. One of them's probably the original, or original style.
Yeah. Going from a single barrel to a dual single. Yeah. Plastic fan. But got a set of headers. So it's just, that's kind of weird. You don't have one exhaust port per cylinder.
No, they matched them.
Huh.
Two
and two.
and two middle ones go together. Same with the intakes. Intake's only got 3 holes.
Huh. Interesting.
I guess that's why the single carb wasn't that great for it.
Probably, yeah.
Because it all sucked it into the middle one, and the outer one's
Other
got
two. So it was a one-cylinder inline. It was an inline one-banger.
Probably two. The 2 cylinders in the middle.
Yeah, that's true. Inline two-cylinder.
The other 2 ran lean and.
So by that thinking, this thing ought to get like 70, 80 miles to the gallon, right?
Right.
Yeah. It is a pretty blue, though. Nice metallic to it. Love that orange carpet. So, yeah, cool dashboard. Chevrolet.
Yeah, ask YouTube if they know what those seats came out of.
Hey, YouTube, what do you think these seats came out of? We're trying to figure that out. They're kind of wide. Oh, that's one hand, so 1, 2, about 3 hand widths for me. Nice little chrome brackets here. They do flip forward, which I don't think would have been a standard feature for this particular type of vehicle. Bit of an underside shot if it's able to help you. But don't think they're quite right. Got big C-channel brackets here, so probably sedan seats or something that were tossed in from a wider vehicle.
What's the seat belt say Mazda 1971 on them?
So there could be Mazda seats in. Yeah, Mazda.
No, those are Mazda seats, or
At least the seat belts are. Well, I think Don said they were.
what, the seats?
Hereby certifies that this safety belt conforms to Federal Motor Vehicle Safety Standards number 209 and SAE J4C. Manufacture date 1971, 1971. Model number SNBUU2Y. Manufactured by NSK Warner, Tokyo, Kogyo Company. Company Limited. There's a little bit of Japanese parts on a old Chevy. 6 minutes left on this battery. Hopefully we got enough to show the carb coming off. Talk to you in a bit. Bye-bye. Make sure you do it in 6 minutes. It's all the battery we got left right now. Because somebody doesn't keep his camera fully charged.
Because somebody doesn't ever use it.
Then why does somebody have a camera?
My new computer was supposed to fix that problem.
Figure out how to convert the files. That's one thing I need to do. I got that really nice editing program, but I don't know how to convert the files, so I don't use the new editing program. Oh geez, we're in the yellow. 5 minutes to go. And we're waiting.
Chevy.
We're waiting. We're wasting everybody's precious time on the YouTube there. We could be watching other really important videos right now.
Oh, they love it.
Hopefully on my channel.
Yeah, 'cause there's nothing to watch on mine. Still get subscribers every once in a while, though.
I'm up to like 530 some now.
Yeah.
560, 530. I just looked the other day. Must be doing something right. Everybody keeps coming back. I'm getting so many comments now, I have a hard time keeping up with them all. Got
Must be rough being famous.
Well, you know. Yeah. Now if I could just work on the rich part.
Yeah.
I'm just waiting for CBS or NBC to come by and start the reality show on me.
Yeah.
Because I mean this is obviously, this is what the people want to see, right? Because I'm behind the, yeah, you know, Cadillacs, Jeeps, and old Chevrolets, and new Chevrolets, more Jeeps, carburetors and fuel injectors, and blinker fluid and chutification devices, and muffler bearings. Love muffler bearings.
I don't understand this. Oh.
Work it, brother, work it.
I don't get why the carb's coming up with it when the stud's not steady. Is it attached to the linkage? It must be.
Little bracket down there.
Get it.
Hurry up, got 2 minutes.
Everything just went cattywampus on me.
Oh, jeez.
The stud. Linkage out of the way. Linkage is now
Unlinkaged.
weird. That's all I can say about that.
Good luck figuring that bag out.
Yeah, I know. This is gonna be interesting.
Oh, oh, oh.
Jeez, this little thing's heavy.
We have a carburetor. Oh yeah, just dump fuel all over the place. Guess it doesn't totally leak out. Pissing in the yard?
Yeah, how does this bad boy work? Oh, yeah.
Hit the gas, squirts fuel in, air mixes with it, and it goes.
Should be
Now
about
tear it apart.
Should be about as simple as they get. There we go. There we go.
Yay. Back to a 1 barrel. Just put a cover plate over that, it'll run fine.
Yeah, the choke worked back in the day when it had probably a heat style. As it warmed up a little bit more, a little bit more. And finally it was like, open!
Yay! We're running! Okay, that's probably about it. We have to change the battery pack. I think we just lost it all. Yeah, we're still recording, but we're out of battery. So we'll see y'all later. Bye-bye.
Yeah, some dead grass.
All right, we got a little more charge on the battery. Here's the bearings out of the front. Ball bearings.
Ball bearings, that is.
Yeah. Kind of cool. Never really seen anything like that at the races. One of them was bad? Yeah. Just one or not both?
one. The outer.
That was
The bad one in there.
driver's side, or
Yeah, that reef's there.
it's all just a little focus here. You can see it's all just chewed up.
Look up.
It's been in there for a while.
Remember Don said something about he thought the
Yeah, that's why I parked it in 1995. So now you're going to start the teardown of carburetor number 1, the forward carburetor.
forward.
Yeah.
Give it a shot, see what happens.
Any markings at all on this thing?
Not really. Well, it should have had a tag that was attached to one of these bolts.
Right, you got your Rochester GM carburetor, made in USA.
But they didn't put the numbers on them or nothing, so it was all in that tag. Which
Yeah.
is now gone.
Patents applied for. So cool.
I like women.
There's the
drink beer.
tire I fixed, still holding R. We just tried to fire this beast up, but battery was flat, so
Battery was flat.
the battery was flat. That's an English term. I've been watching a lot of English videos on YouTube.
The battery was flat.
The battery-
on it wouldn't pop.
The battery was flat. And we couldn't get into the boot. That's Canadian, sorry. It's all about the boot.
You're gonna offend someone.
I know. That's okay. They'll offend me and I'll offend them. And it'll be great fun. That's shiny.
Chrome.
Yeah. Chrome's fast.
Chrome.
So, I gotta figure out.
And the re-teardown's complete. There's your rebuild parts.
Well, I bet the choke didn't work. That's why it was hard to start.
Yeah. Time for a new choke.
I gotta pull you off. I gotta pull you and this little guy. Oh, the hell with this.
Let's put triple 4 barrels on it.
Yeah. Screw off. Just see what happens.
Oh crap. Here we go. We're into it now. The disassembly has begun.
You only live once.
And then your carburetor don't work no more.
Yeah. Holy moly.
It's okay. If you screw it up, it's on camera.
Does this rod come off or does it? Doesn't want to. Oh, just like that. So, I'd like to try and keep things
Together?
together. Crap. Which way did that go on? Did it go that way?
I thought you took pictures.
I did. It was just like.
Yeah, the small one was on first.
I'm sure YouTube will point it out if I
Oh, yeah.
put it on.
Hey, dumb puck.
What?
That's not how it goes.
Not nice. Whatever. So I took pictures before I tore it apart.
And that's why I'm just here running the camera, so you can't yell at me for tearing it apart.
Yeah. Okay. Next, I'll crack this guy. Crack it with a hammer.
Okay. BFH coming up. It's about to get ugly.
Oh, geez, that was tight. She's coming off. Like butter.
What?
Smooth. Smooth and dirty. Okay. Let's see if the spring can.
Be undid.
Oh, jeez.
Alarm system's going off.
It's possible all I needed to do was tighten all these. Make it stop leaking. But,
Too late now.
yeah.
Got the parts, may as well use them.
Alligator.
I hope they're talking to their cat.
Yeah.
Jeez, we've almost filled up your card already. Well, I guess you said you had some stuff
Yeah,
on there.
there's probably quite a bit on there.
Yeah, carburetor teardown. Real exciting. But like the rest of the world, we want to see what's on the inside of this thing.
It's dirty.
Ooh. Nothing like working on 50s technology. On the hood of your 60s car.
Yeah. That's how I roll.
Next to the 80s mobile.
And you go up.
And do. Where's your hammer?
I want to use a hammer on it.
It was made in the 50s. It could probably handle it. See?
There it is. Jeez. What did I stab?
Oh, probably the $500 piece that you really need to put the carburetor back together.
I don't know what's going on here.
Gaskets. I see brass.
Yeah, lots of brass.
Because brass is good with gas. Oh, shut up now.
What am I doing? Gasket?
Yeah. Hopefully your kit comes with a new one. Oh, a little scuzzy. Little scuzzy. Not too bad. Interesting. What do you hear?
Yeah, I'm just seeing if there's any fuel inside of the floats.
Just all stamped huh? And soldered together
Yeah.
or crimped.
This is just...
Pinned in there. Oh yeah, there's some.
Actually, I'm gonna take some pictures here before I start taking stuff apart.
I think I'll do the same. I'll shut your camera up here for a second.